because they didn't want to play a accused or a person who's, dealing with a subject of rape and all these things. Mr. Bachchan is an amazing actor. I've always wanted to work with him, and first film with him.
For you,
Hi, I'm good. How are you? I think it took a
I'm
while.
doing
I've
very
been
well.
trying to send a request. I don't know why it wasn't getting sent.
So, how have
Yeah,
you been?
yeah.
I hope you are being safe and practicing all the social
Yeah,
distancing
yeah.
and all.
I think I've been in quarantine for about 20, 25 days now. I think after the film released, I haven't gotten out much. But yeah, doing good. Chilling at home, reading books, taking care of my plants. That's about it. How about you?
Yes, pretty much similar. The plants part and the reading part.
Yeah, I can see a lot of
Yeah.
books
All
behind
right.
you.
So, are you happy with the response to Guilty?
Yeah, it's actually very good. I wasn't. I mean, we all wanted it, but never really
Mm,
expected it. Plus, also first film, so you never really know what the response is like and how do you react to it, and how does it settle in. So
right.
yeah, it took a while, but yeah, it's great. I mean, people are liking my performance. I don't think I could have asked for a better response from the audience.
So, Anna 0.4 is asking, what do you read?
What do I?
What do you read?
What do I read? I was just reading an autobiography on Marlon Brando, songs my mother taught me, and a lot of other books. But right now I'm reading that.
Yeah, and apparently you are like a major script reading junkie. You really like to read scripts of all sorts. Why is
Yeah,
that?
yeah. I mean, I like to. I think you learn a lot from the work that's already been done. How did the actor make the choice? What did they read in the script? How did they bring it to camera? So I like doing that. But apart from that, I will get a lot of scripts that I will also read and do. So, but that's the main goal.
Okay, and now this debate has been triggered by Guilty, and some people they have certain issues with the climax. That maybe the climax is not maybe what it should have been. So some people were convinced with the climax that this is the right climax. What is your opinion?
Uh, I think at the end of the day, it's a film. We only get 2 hours to make it or not make it in terms of, the audience liking it. So I'm sure there are debates about what was right, what was not right. But I mean, you can't, uh, I don't think you can, make everyone happy.
Mm.
Plus, it was the writer's job to write something that made sense to them. So there were three writers, brilliant writers. They wrote a film that they thought was the right way to go about it. And yeah, I mean, I think I personally didn't have a problem with the climax. Obviously, I'm also in the film, so that's why I'm saying it. But a lot
Right.
of people, in fact, liked it. There were also there was a debate around. A few people told me as well that the climax was a little off, but I mean that's okay. It's opinions, and opinions we have about a lot of films. I mean, the greatest of the films. Also, like people have opinion about Parasite. Also, that some people didn't like the ending. They found it too underwhelming. Uh, I love the film. There's no comparison there because Parasite is a very good film, but I
Yeah.
mean, just that you can't make everyone happy.
So Mahin Mua is saying that I wish it was a series, it was a season instead of a movie.
I wish too, but the only problem with that would have been, I mean, I feel if you, it could also fall into a very preachy space. I think it was good to make it a 2 hour film because what happens is, I think with the audience, there are a lot of people. It's a very sensitive topic, so a lot of people don't want to watch such films. So that's also a tricky part. uh, which was one of the reasons why a lot of actors were approached for the part I played, and like actors who've already done films, and they said no because they didn't want to play a accused or a person who's dealing with a subject of rape and all these things. How was your experience with RK and Big B? It was great. Saurabh, no wait, is this Amaze Facts? It was great. Got to learn a lot. Mr. Bachchan is an amazing actor. I've always wanted to work with him, and first film with him is quite a privilege. So, yeah, I hope I do well, and I hope you guys like Brahmastra whenever it's out.
Okay, so yeah, the shooting is complete for Brahmastra?
My shooting is complete, but I think Ranveer has some left. Mr. Bachchan's also done as well, if I'm not wrong, and थोड़ा बहुत here and there patchwork अगर होगा तो. But yeah, though a lot of VFX is left. It's a very post-heavy film, so that will take a while.
Right. So do you think it will be able to release on time?
No comments. I can't say, but I hope it
Okay.
does. But yeah,
Sania Gupta, Guilty is banger, literally a banger you banged on Gur.
thank you
Okay,
so
and
much, Sanya. I'm glad you liked it.
Anna 0.4, who's that one actor that you like to work with? Yeah.
Uh, a lot of actors, but I think for now, Irfan Khan sir, he's great. I wish I get a chance to work with him.
Okay, Reshma is asking, are you a butter chicken person or Firangi Khana?
Oh, butter chicken for life. Yeah, I love it. In fact, I'll tell my mom to make it today.
All right, so Avishkar is asking, how has Guilty impacted your own personality and thought process?
It's definitely made me more mindful of the way how reckless we are as young people. We do we just make some choices that might end up becoming so bad that you can never come back from it. So I think I'm more mindful and more thoughtful about that, and I hope other people are too. And otherwise, it's just a very relevant film. I mean, it made me go back into my life to think that did I overstep a line ever? I don't think I have, but I know people that who have, and I now immediately call out to them that listen, if you're about to take the step, it's wrong. And I hope everyone is more, aware of their actions as well. And yeah, I think that's one takeaway I had from the film.
Okay, so Bolly Nawa is saying, Gurfateh Paji, कुछ पंजाबी चे गल हो जाए पाजी होना चाहिए गल पंजाबी चे तुसी भी पंजाबी ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਰ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਿੰਦੀ ਚ ਜਾਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਜੀ
Okay, Romeo dot Jans dot 735, your favorite Pakistani female actor?
Mahira Khan, I love her. She's so pretty and she's a brilliant actor. I'm a big fan of Humsafar and Fawad Khan as well. So yeah, what a brilliant actress.
I am Maliha underscore Mala. What kind of music are you into?
I'm into a lot of different music, specifically rock and a lot of pop. I also like instrumental as well, jazz. So yeah, those are my choices.
Minahe dot Ahmad, love from Australia. Re underscore Tannan, your paintings are amazing. You like to paint as well?
Yeah, I used to like to paint when I was a kid until I think about 10. Then I didn't pick up the brush for like a long time. And then now finally, because of quarantine, I've been painting again. So yeah, it's a thing that I like to do again now.
Interesting. Okay. Minal dot Ahmad, which actress would you love to work with?
I would love to work with a lot of actresses actually, but for now, I think Kareena Kapoor Sande, yeah, she's so brilliant and she's so pretty. But also Alia, I'm already working with her, but it's always good to work with her. She's brilliant.
What exactly is your role in the film?
Anji, in Brahmastra?
Yeah.
It's a action character. I can't talk too much about it, but it's a primary pivotal character in the whole story, which will eventually go into part two and three, hopefully as well. And yeah, it's alongside majority of my stuff is alongside Ranveer and Mr. Bachchan. So I had to train a lot for it. There's a lot of hard work and a lot of action training, martial arts, archery. So yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay, Waltz 26. Did you always want to be an actor or had some other aim?
No, not at all. Actually, I was a cricketer earlier. So that was the first goal. But eventually, I got injured, so I had to leave cricket, and a lot of other things happened. Life happened. Somehow, I stopped going to my training. Then eventually, I grew up, and then somehow theater happened, and that's how I realized that I want to be an actor now.
Okay, Reshma is saying, Myra Khan se yaad aaya, your short video recreating that scene from Humsafar is so good.
Thank you so much. It was just when I was learning acting, I picked up some scripts and I wanted to do them. That was the time I watched Humsafar. I loved that scene. I was like, I'll try doing it. I can't be as good, but I just gave it a shot.
Mm-hmm. Amaze Facts, did you audition for Brahmastra or was it offered to you?
No, no, I'm no in no way related to the industry, so nothing was offered to me. I have auditioned for everything that I've gotten till date. So yeah, I auditioned for it for about 8 months, if I'm not wrong.
Okay, so what sort of response did you get from within the industry?
The response has been great. A lot of people messaged me personally. Ranbir loved it. He in fact told me that it's very tough to make a negative character likable. So you could do
Right.
that, and like it was a very like a job well done. So that was great. Like getting appreciation from someone you've looked up to all your life. So even in the industry, like a lot of people have been talking about it. I haven't. I want to sign something, but now everything is on a shutdown. So hopefully that will happen soon. But people have loved it. I think I don't think I've gotten any negative criticism as such until now, which is like thank God. But yeah.